Okay, so we're covering 7.2 multiplying binomials. You have practice right now so far on multiplying monomials with a polynomial. So now we're going to do a binomial and a binomial. All right, so the first way that I taught you was, I guess some people call it the rainbow method because we're going to draw a little line. So y times y. What is y times y?
2.
Y squared. Very good. So what is y times 1?
4. 1.
Plus
4. Wait, y
1
times
y.
Oh, 1 y.
Now this one has already multiplied with the other ones in the other term. Now I'm going to do the 4. 4 times y is
4y.
plus 4y. 4 times 1 is 4. Oops. So now you're going to collect like terms. So make sure you collect like terms. Plus 4. Okay, where are my like terms? The y's.
5.
Always collect like terms. So it's going to be y squared plus 5y plus 4. That is one method. You're going to get very, very quick at this. You should get very quick at this. You should be able to do this without having to show work. Right now we're just starting, little baby steps, so we're going to show our work. Now the second way that I showed you was for the kids that need a little bit more organizing in their heads. So we have a binomial, which means how many rows am I going to need? 2, right? So I'm going to need 2 rows. And then how many boxes am I going to need? 4 columns. 2 columns, sorry, 4 rows. All right, so this is going to be 1, and then plus 4. And this one is going to be, 1y. This one is going to be y plus 1. Do you guys see how I wrote it? Just kind of, I didn't move it sideways. Okay, now we're going to multiply it. Y times y is?
Y squared.
Y squared. 4 times y is?
4y.
4y. Y times 1 is?
Y.
1y. 4 times 1 is?
4.
4. Okay, watch how you collect like terms. And this becomes very, very, very helpful when it's a trinomial times a trinomial. It's going to get really confusing, especially in Algebra 2. Super confusing. Here's where you collect like terms. If you notice, it's diagonals. Those are your like terms. So, y squared plus 5y plus 4. Okay? Another way of doing this. Last way of doing this, which is as you get better at this and quicker, so it was y plus 1 times y plus 4. Okay? So, you're going to always multiply the first, which is y squared. You're going to always multiply the last. I'm going to put it here at the last, which is plus 4. Now, look at the middle. Oh, this is y squared. Oh, this is y squared. Now look at the middle. And you'll get very, very good at this and very quick. I call it check your smile. The reason why I call it a check your smile is because these two make 1y. These two, a bigger smile, makes 4y. And when you add them together, what does that make?
5y.
5y.
Oh.
So, 3 different ways to solve the same type of problem with the binomials. You'll get super, super quick at it. And I want you to get to the point where you don't have to show your work, where you guys can just do it in your head.